The morning session heard the actual best evidence interview of Miss Z, which was conducted by an RGP officer at Newmole House. The complainant explained how they had first heard about an investigation into Graham Southwell in 2020, but chose not to come forward. It wasn't until 2022, when another report came out regarding the defendant, that Miss Z acknowledged what had happened to her was not her fault. When asked by the police officer what the defendant had done to her, Miss Z explained 2 incidents of alleged abuse that had taken place during a time in their life where they were suffering mental health issues and were very vulnerable. The mood changed during the afternoon session when defense lawyer Robert Fischel questioned the complainant. He put it to Miss Z that during an interview with an RGP officer in 2021, she never reported any incidents of abuse because the events never happened. The complainant replied, "No, that's not true," as she broke down in tears. After a short break, Mr. Fischel questioned Miss Z on her contact with Mr. Southwell after the alleged offences took place, asking her that if the abuse had taken place, how could she confide in him? In response, Ms. Z told the court the reason why she continued contact with the defendant was because he was the only person there for her at the time, and that he always made it seem he was the only one who cared. Throughout the cross-examination, the defense put it to the complainant that their position was that at no stage did Mr. Southwell put his hands on her, and that she had made it all up for whatever reason. This was denied by Ms. Z, who said she was scared of the defendant because he had authority and feared he would do something to her if she ever came forward. The 62-year-old defendant, Graham Southwell, denies all charges. The trial continues tomorrow.